Ground Control has made a LUT that will revolutionize the film industry forever. With different cameras, lighting setups, and formats, getting that perfect shot has always been a challenge. And here at Ground Control, we pride ourselves in making the tools that help your vision come to life. So many of you have been using LUTs from Ground Control for years now to help enhance your footage and take it to the next level. Today, we're announcing our newest product, which will take filmmaking as we know it to heights previously unimagined.
It's always a struggle for people using a new camera because they have to relearn how to make that footage look good. There's actually a pretty big learning curve to getting your footage looking just right. What's amazing about this product is that it will detect which camera you're using and which picture profile, and automatically make the adjustments for you, so you don't have to.
You can take the same LUT and drop it on DJI, GoPro, Blackmagic, and get a consistent look across all of the shots. That's the magic of our newest product. Introducing Pegasus, the most revolutionary product that Ground Control has ever made.
We've developed the most intricate color software that automatically detects and corrects any picture profile shot on any camera, making your color grade almost automatic.
We've also built in a revolutionary beauty engine that will enhance the natural features of your talent. It will help smooth skin tones as well as bring out the natural radiance of anyone on screen. Your talent has never looked so good. But we couldn't stop there. We had to take it one step further. We've built a feature that will bring your ideas to life. We call it VisionCast.
VisionCast dials in your footage to represent more of what you visualized in your mind's eye. With our new LUT, what you imagine becomes reality. You may be asking yourself, how is this possible? The answer? Literal magic. Like spells and crap. We worked side by side with actual witches to produce a color tool that completely changes the way people do post-production.
Once we brought the witches on board, that's when we started seeing some real results. It was almost like we didn't have to work anymore. They brought a lot of really good ideas to the table, but they were mostly in the form of spells and pieces of animals.
When they first found our ad on Craigslist, we were a little bit nervous. We didn't know if it was going to work out or not, but we talked among ourselves and decided that maybe, just maybe, we could help people do some video production with our magic.
It turns out they actually have a pretty good knack for color science.
We did all the work on the Resolve tracking system, so this wasn't really out of our realm of possibility, so we thought we'd give it a try.
Getting them up to speed on the color software was actually the easy part. One of the trickier parts was finding all the ingredients that they needed for their cauldron.
Since we used actual magic to make this, it's really helped us solve a lot of common post-production problems.
And just like that.
Wow! Take lighting, for instance. You're in a rush, you need this shot by the end of the day. Just don't light the shot. You can add beautiful lighting back into your footage using our time of day filter to get that cinematic look.
Everyone wants to know how to remove blemishes, how to soften skin tones, but that takes so much time. We've developed a state-of-the-art beauty engine that will completely change the way that you look at your talent.
Wow, I mean, she looks like a different person.
This is just a tried and true beauty spell, only in digital form. And I think it came together real well.
Wait, that is a different person.
But I think the crowning achievement of this product is that we've made something that literally makes your dreams become a reality. VisionCast will turn what you've done into what you wanted to do. You forgot your dolly that day? You can just drop the LUT on your shot and boom, it's a dolly shot.
So all you gotta do is just download Pegasus, just like that, and you're good to go.
I don't even have Premiere on my computer. How is this happening?
They said it was impossible, but nothing's impossible with magic. The ratio between bat wings and C++ is very delicate. Add too little and you get a tomato. Add too much and you get a tornado. So you better undershoot it.
If you forgot your camera, Just throw the LUT on a text layer describing what you want, and the shot will appear.
All we need to do is write down a type of movie. Any type of movie. Horror, comedy, show the camera. Show the camera right there. Action movie. Cool, all right. Check it out.
I think ground control has made something really special here. And that's the kind of magic you can expect from Pegasus.
That's messed up.
Well,
No. Thank you. Good day, sir.
We produced this entire video using Pegasus, the very first magic LUT from ground control. We shot this at places we've never been, with cameras we don't have, using actors that we've never met. You're not even watching this.